You know, in English we say honesty is the best policy. In Islam, the Prophet Muhammad placed great emphasis on truth. Because truth, the transmission of truth, leads to righteousness. If you are truthful, they can but only be good. But if you are false, or you are not honest, that would be recorded by Allah. And therefore, the prophets of Allah would emphasize greatly upon honesty, truthfulness, trustworthiness. And when we sit here, we have to sit with a very pure heart. Because we are not only talking about the interests about the Muslim community. In Islam, the dignity of each and every single individual counts. Because we are one brother.
Yeah.
He has shaped us. He has given us different pigmentation. He has given us different height. You're a big man, you. When I came in here, I forget.